We have supported over 500 existing businesses in West Lothian, including Sibbald Training, a leading provider of professional training in construction, logistics, health and safety and engineering. Their training facilities in Armadale and Blackridge provide an exceptional learning experience. With realistic environments, trainees can engage in hands-on learning under the guidance of experienced industry experts.
We recently received some support from Invest West Lothian for our net zero plan for the business. With the net zero plan, it's allowed us to pull it all together in one place and actually use it for marketing purposes. So it's been great for the business just to take us to that next step. Utilities has been a big investment. We've invested in development of our confined space training areas, our new roads and streetworks areas, which has been able to help us service that industry a lot better. And that's been supported well by the Job Creation Fund from Business Gateway and Invest West Lothian. The gap funding support that we had recently helped us implement a new Working at Heights tower, which is again a new marketplace that we're really trying to push into. I would really recommend any company in West Lothian do a bit of consultancy with Business Gateway and just get a bit of advice, because there's lots there for everybody, and you think that it might be a bit of time out your day, but it'll be well worth the time out your day.
Over £550,000 has been approved to support digital development, low carbon and business recovery initiatives in West Lothian. To find out how Invest can help your business, visit our website